Hello, welcome again to another advanced Python tutorial. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, liking, and leaving your comments below. So on this video, we're going to talk about sets. So without further words, let's get started. A set is a collection of data type that is unordered, mutable, and unlike list and tuples, set has no duplicates, so doesn't allow duplicates of elements. So a set is created by braces like dictionaries, but it lacks the key and value pairs, so it contains only single elements separated by commas. So for example, let's say my set equals to 1 2 3. Save this. If we print here, we need to print the set, print my set. So save this. So we are going to have a set of 3 elements. Now if we like to put duplicates, like let's say we can keep here 1 and we can have another 2 here. If we save this and try to print this, okay, this proves our point that sets do not allow duplicates of elements. So we see we only have 1 2 and 3 instead of these duplicate elements. We can also use the set function to create a particular set from an iterable. For example, let's give this to be a list, and then this should be a list too. So if we use the set function here and close the braces, so if we print here, we are going to have a set again. So we have a set. So you can also create a set by using the built-in set function, or we can also use the strings. For example, let's say my set equals to hello. Okay, if we save this and try to print here, see we have our set here. Just mind you that sets are unordered and they do not allow duplicate of elements. That's why the L here, we don't see it on our set. We can also create an empty set. For example, you can just create this, and if we print here, so we have the empty set here. Just we need to be careful when creating the empty set, because if you try to create an empty set like this, and if you save here and let's print and see, so we have this one. You may think this is a set, but if we check the type here. So if we check the type here, so we have the class dict. So we have to be careful here. You can't create an empty set like this. This is going to be treated like a normal dictionary.